Imagine hearing a note played by two different sources. Even if the pitch is identical, you instantly recognize the difference. That's thanks to timbre, the unique fingerprint of sound. What creates this signature? It's all about harmonics and overtones. Every vibrating object produces a fundamental frequency, but it also creates a series of higher frequencies called overtones. The blend and intensity of these overtones shape the sound's character. This delicate mix is why each tone feels distinct, adding richness and emotion to every listening experience.